Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna talk a little bit about these Okuma Dragonfly line cutters. And actually, Okuma is a very well-known brand in the fishing industry. But before I begin, you can like the video if you'll find the content useful, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community. Okay, let's unpack these. These cutters feature a compact and ergonomic grip design, and actually when I saw these for the first time, straight away I've decided to show them to you. Just look how beautiful these are. For the price these are sold, not only these should cut through lines like through butter, but this should cut steel also. But actually, I won't test these on a steel, but rather on this line I prepared. So over here, it's 5 lines, 10 lines, 15 and 20. And in the end of this video, we'll test them out and have a look whether these will cut all of them quite easily and fast. If you'd like to check the price for this gadget, you won't actually be able to find it on Amazon, but I'm gonna put the link within the description if you'd like to have a look for yourself. The durable SUS 304 stainless screw ensures a long lifespan of these cutters, while the high-quality machine T6061 aluminium construction makes them lightweight and portable. The spring-loaded system design with ultra-sharp blades allows you to easily slice even through the toughest braid, and tungsten steel blades ensure a precise cut every time. Well, at least that is what they state. So let us put them to the test. Let us have a look how these will cut 5 lines. Okay, so as you can see, these went through 5 lines pretty easily. Let's test these with the 10 lines. Okay, so here's 10. Now it's 15. I don't really know, and I really doubt that these will cut 15, but okay, let us have a look. Okay, so we've done it with 15 lines, and now the end goal is like 20 of them. Let us have a look. Okay, so it was like only 17, and yeah, 3. So these are pretty sharp, look pretty nice. I'm gonna be definitely using them, and well, I really think that these will serve me for a long time. And just like single line, you don't even feel how it cuts a single line. So yeah, pretty useful gadget, and I'm definitely gonna be using it. That's all that I wanted to show you today. If you found the content useful, if it was interesting, don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community. By the way, if you'd like to comment on these, just leave your comments under the video, and I'll try to reply to all of them, whether they are positive or negative. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.